I always thought the story-worthy ones were the big stories, like the time a car crashed into me while I was riding my bike and my arm shattered the windshield and in the process shattered my arm. We think it's got to be that kind of story. But how many people can relate with that? How many people have had a moment where they've gotten hit by a car while they were on their bike? Few. And so what happens? You hear a story like that and you kind of disconnect. You think, how does this relate to me? I can't really relate to this. Stories, the little ones, the little odds and ends that happen to us every single day are the ones that are the gold mines at keeping people's attention. We experience moments like these, story-worthy moments all the time, but we don't capture them. They exist everywhere. They're all around us. But like I say all the time, we find what we're looking for, and we don't find what we're not looking for. We fail to notice those. We fail to recognize them. We don't record it. We don't save it, and then they're gone. Maybe they'll pop up at some point in the future if something reminds us of it. It's so simple, and it's something any one of us can do. And they don't have to be these near-death experiences. We don't have to wait to be robbed at gunpoint in order to capture an amazing story.